I suppose I'm just fascinated by all the minute detail of landscape that changes every day. There's just particular times of year or particular moments in the morning or in the evening when you'll see certain animals or certain flowers are out. It's just become a really rich kind of source of like inspiration in a way. I've always had this kind of affinity with landscape. I'm an artist printmaker based on the east side of Manchester in the Pennines. I predominantly do woodcut prints and most of my work's about British landscape. The work starts basically as drawing, and I've kind of got loads of notebooks of drawings from around where I've actually been. This is a sketchbook of Shetland, which is the latest place I'd been to. I'll actually add research about the place, so it becomes a little bit of an archive. And eventually I actually compose something which will be a final image to the right proportion of the woodblock I'm going to use. There's probably 90% of things in the notebooks that are never used. Basically, woodblock printmaking is you paint an image onto a block, cut around it, ink it up and print it onto paper. And I use a second block to print lots and lots of colours. The basic principle is the bits that aren't cut hold the ink, and the bits or any marks or holes or grooves that you cut into the wood don't hold ink. So you're kind of controlling the tone by how much you take out and how much you kind of leave in. Some of the grassland areas were built up using two greens, so I half cut out the second block and worked into it, printed it in the lighter green, and then the next time cut a little bit more out and printed it again, so I'm getting this kind of stipple effect of like broken green texture. Over the last few years I've put animals in my prints. Animals and birds have specific habitats, so it's very easy to associate particular types of birds and animals with places around the country. The bird's an Arctic tern. As you're walking along, if you get near one of the nests, they come hurtling down from the sky and screech and dive bomb you. So they're very evident, and there's this beautiful stark white against the kind of grey Shetland kind of skies and seas and kind of marine colours. And these prints do take months to make. From start to finish, I suppose a 60 by 60 centimetre print would probably take about 6 weeks if I spent something on it every day. I've worked with Kirkby Gallery on 2 solo shows. I had a solo show at the Highton Gallery, and then 2 years ago I had a big show here called Northern Stones and Peat Smoke. This project came up and the chance to go to the safari park, and on the first day there I actually saw that they'd got rhinos, and one of the most famous woodcuts was Dürer's woodcut of a rhinoceros, which was done in 1515. Dürer was one of the first artists to start looking at natural things around him, and which was very, very out of ordinary for that period in 1515. I immediately kind of connected with that and thought, oh, Dürer's rhinoceros. So that gave me the animal to work with. Well, there's 2 stages of the finished project. I'm creating a large print, and there's addition of 4 of those. I've made the print out of 30 woodblocks, and they have a big educational programme at Knowsley, and I thought it would be really nice to have the print, but also have a set of all the individual blocks printed, which could become a form of jigsaw that children could put together to make a big rhinoceros. This is one I'd done previously, which is made out of 30 woodblocks, and this is actually the same size as the rhino will be. And this was of a lamb in Saddleworth, but also it goes in a little folio, so it becomes a composite jigsaw. But it's just a way, again, of learning more and more about like what's around us, which is what Dürer was doing with that rhinoceros in a way.